Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope that you stick around and subscribe for more. Today I am so excited to do some makeup, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair back with my no bend hair clips that I have been loving. And again, if you guys hear any noises like that one in the background, it's the dogs. They're just in here. I like to keep them in here when I'm filming a video because I feel like I can keep them under control, whereas if they're outside or downstairs, they'll literally start going crazy at anything. So I rather have them in here in the room, and most of the time they kind of take naps and stuff. Right now they're trying to go outside because the mailman is here and he's always coming up to the door because we always have deliveries, so they're about to start working. Today we're going to be testing out the brand new Alter Ego Sahara palette. Now, yes, this is supposed to be a dupe for one of the Natasha Denona palettes that is like $37 million. Just kidding. It's like $100 and something, but personally, I can't get myself to spend that much money on eyeshadows. I can do it on clothes, shoes, food, but eyeshadow? Thank you, next. But obviously, because I don't own any of those Natasha Denona palettes, I'm not gonna sit here and try to compare this one to that one because that's just not gonna happen. But Alter Ego literally only has 4 products. I feel like they're pretty new to the game, but that's not to say that they're not known, because look, all of those 4 products are palettes that are dupes to other very popular palettes, and I mean, it is what it is. So I am here to test it out because I've heard some amazing things about Alter Ego and their palettes, and I'm super excited. I mean, if you can save some money on makeup and still get like the same effect as like higher end makeup, I'm here for it. Oh, and did I freaking mention the prices, guys? Everything is literally under $20. This specific palette is $16. $16. Take my money. I've already opened it and look. The palette feels heavy and sturdy and just, it looks like a higher end palette. Look at this. It comes with a full-size mirror. I'm just quite impressed, guys. Another very important fact is that Alter Ego is in fact cruelty-free, so that's pretty awesome if I say so myself. So let's go ahead and swatch these. Hey guys, so I am coming to you from the future. The video that I had with all of these swatches actually got messed up, so I had to improvise and redo this, and this is what I got for you guys, this beautiful photo as you can see on the screen. So there are a couple of things that I do want to mention. All of these shades are absolutely beautiful. The metallics swatched so nicely. They're so pretty. And they are also super pigmented, but there are a couple of shades on the palette that I'm like, okay. But I'm also not complaining because the palette is $16. So those dark brown shades, the grays, and that one black shade, I did notice that they were a little patchy. So that is definitely something that I do want to say, so you guys can take a note of if you decide to buy this palette. Nonetheless, they were all still super easy to blend. To start off, I'm going to be taking the Kylie Eyebrow Pomade in the shade Ebony with her eyebrow brush because I love just how precise you can get with this little brush. And it's literally been out of stock for I don't know how long. So what I like to do is kind of outline my brows. I don't finish them off right off the bat. I wait till the end of the makeup look, but I do like to outline them just to give my face a little bit of a frame, if you will. Now to add a little bit of a base under the eyeshadow, I'm going to take my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade 125. To start off, I'm going to be taking the shade Camel and just applying it to the crease. Now we're going to be taking a smaller blending brush like this one and the shade Sahara, and we're going to apply that shade to the inner and to the outer corner, leaving the center of the lid without anything. Now we're going to go back with that first blending brush that we used. We're not going to use any product, but we're just going to try to blend out all the shades. Now taking an angled brush and the shade Raven, and we're going to give this look a very soft wing. Okay, so now the final touch is we're going to take the shade Jewel, which is a beautiful, almost champagne-y metallic shade. It's so pretty, and we're gonna add that to the center of the lid. As always, I don't know what I'm doing, so that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara. I went ahead and did my mascara off camera, but this is what the eye look is looking like. I really like it. I mean, I always say that about all my eye looks when it's like something super basic and simple that anyone can probably do, but guys, give me some credit. I am trying. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some primer. For primer, I've been using the Tula Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer all over my face. And in my T-zone, I put the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be taking my Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick in the shade Golden Sand. So before I actually start blending it out, I actually like to spray a little bit of this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Now we're going to go ahead and do concealer, and for concealer I've been using my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade 135. Now we're going to set the under eye area with the Jeffree Star setting powder in the shade Beige. Before I set the rest of my face, I'm going to take my Kylie Cosmetics Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Ebony and finish off my brows. For the inner part of my brows, I like to take my Glossier Brow Flick in the shade Black, and I just create a couple of brow strokes. And to set them, I just take this Revolution Pro Volume and Sculpt Brow Gel. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face. For bronzer, I'm going to take the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Toasty. For blush, I'm going to be taking the KKW Flower Wall Blush. Let's do the lower lash line. For that, I'm going to take the shade Box. In the inner corner, I'm just going to take the shade Jewel. So now for lips, I'm going to take this NARS lipstick in the shade Pigalle. On top, I'm going to be taking the Soulmate Gloss by KKW. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope that you guys liked it. So to be honest, I love this eyeshadow look. I love these eyeshadows, this palette, and I love the freaking price. Because I mean, come on, $16. Do I need to say more? If you're on the lookout for a very good palette that has all the warm tones, all the neutrals, this is it. 16 bucks. I don't need to say anything else, guys. Try it out if you're on the hunt for a really good palette. I really am not trying to bash Natasha Denona, but I don't think you should be spending $100 and something on an eyeshadow palette. Like, that's just my opinion. Maybe one day I'll try out her products and I'll be like changed for life. But at this point in time, I am telling you guys, this is literally awesome. Go try it out if you want to. If you don't, still go try it out. So that pretty much wraps up today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you like this makeup look as much as I did. If you liked it, give me a big old thumbs up. Also, let me know down in the comments below if you've tried any Natasha Denona products and they've changed your life and maybe I should try some. let me know. Or let me know, would you spend $100 and something on an eyeshadow palette if you can get this one for $16? Let me know down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe because it's free and it's a fun time, guys. Do I need to say anything else? Literally free, literally a fun time. Please subscribe. Thanks. Okay, until next time, bye guys.